my name is Natasha and I'm from Eye Care Center of Ocala, located here in Ocala, Florida. And the reason for this video today is to show you that there is a right way and a wrong way to keep your glasses clean and how to clean them. So we're going to start, first of all, with a pair of dirty glasses. Going to get to the nitty-gritty. What is the first thing do you think that people will do when they go to clean your glasses? I'll wait. Okay. Have you figured it out? The very first thing that people will go to do when they go to clean their glasses is wipe it on their shirt or their pants. They're going to wipe it anywhere that they have something available to them that they think is a good idea. I'm here to tell you it is not a good idea. What you're actually doing is you're creating scratches, you're creating smudges, you're creating frustration for yourself by cleaning your glasses the wrong way. Let me help you with that. Let me show you the right way to clean your glasses and keep your glasses for a long time. First, what we're gonna do is we have a pair of glasses here that's got all kinds of fun dirt and smudge from the day, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take some of our Sparkle Gel Cleaner. Now when you get a pair of glasses here, we do give you a smaller sample, because this is actually a 4 ounce, I believe. I don't know. We give you a sample of our gel cleaner. Let me show you why. When you spray our gel cleaner on our lenses, it does not move. It stays exactly where you put it. That's awesome. I don't know how many times I've tried to clean anything, glasses, windows, anything. I've sprayed it and then all of a sudden the spray is gone. This is great because here I have been talking for like 20 seconds already and it's still here. Next, what we're gonna do is we take this. This is a specific lens towel. And I'm gonna get all the dirt and all the grime and all the Cheeto dust from earlier today, and we're going to take it off these lenses. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a microfiber cleaning cloth. This right here is something that we can also provide to you when you purchase one of our bundles, or if you come in and get a pair of glasses, or if you just need a repair, come on in and let us help you with that, because we want to make sure that your glasses are always clean and they're always protected. This microfiber cloth is for polishing. You're going to take your lenses, nice and beautiful, and polish them, just like that. So now we have a beautiful pair of glasses. Now we go to put them on, and the very first thing that happens, unfortunately, is they smudge because of the air that we breathe because of our masks. We've thought of that too. We actually have these here, which are amazing Opti Plus Lens Anti-Fog Wipes. So we're going to take this. Sorry, takes a minute for me to get it out of there. And you open them up, and these are amazing. These right here, once you put them on your lenses, the solution that that's on your lenses, it'll stay for the whole day, sometimes even to the next. You want to focus on the back part of the lenses and kind of go into a circular motion, like so. You want to focus on the back of the lens because that's where a lot of the fog is coming from. When you breathe up through your mask, the air goes up and it goes towards the lens. So now I have glasses that are clean, not scratched, and also have an anti-fog protection placed on them. So I'm ready to go for the day. I'm good to go. They look amazing. So you're probably wondering, how do I get this amazing deal? How do I get these items? Where do I find them? I'm also gonna help you with that. We've created bundles. Bundles, who doesn't love a bundle? Starting at $15.98, this bundle will include a box of lens towels. Now I believe there's 150 in here. They are amazing and will last forever. You get a 30-pack of our Opti Plus Anti-Fog Wipes, as well as our Sparkle Gel Cleaner. And just for coming in, we will make sure that you also get this amazing microfiber cleaning cloth to go with everything. All for $15.98. Now we have other options and other bundles as well. So come on in, take some time for yourself. If you're ever in the area, we're located right here by the Heathbrook Plaza, by the Publix, right beside Campus USA off of Highway 200. Stop by or call if you have any questions. The number is 352-512-0560. Again, my name is Natasha with Eye Care Center of Ocala. We're just here to help you guys out during this hard time, and hopefully I've taught you something today that you didn't know before. I hope you have an amazing day. Let's keep everything clean.